cheese.
Cheese.
First train ride in a while.
First train ride. I don't think we've ever done it here. Or maybe a long time ago. I don't remember.
Yeah. Yeah, because I remember thinking, oh, they don't have the dinosaur. What is it called?
Welcome aboard, folks. We're beginning a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon.